Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Goldman Sachs Asset Management's alternative investments platform said its latest fund had raised more than $200 billion for senior direct lending. The fund is targeting private equity-backed global businesses and has already invested or committed $4 billion across 37 portfolio companies to date. China's economy is set to grow 5% this year after a strong first quarter, the International Monetary Fund said, upgrading its earlier forecasts of 4.6% expansion, though it expects slower growth in the years ahead. Investment manager Hashdex has withdrawn its application for a spot Ether exchange-traded fund, according to documents filed with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone unemployment rate at 9 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.